Dallas is booming. Glass towers rising, neighborhoods transforming, and money moving faster than ever. But while the city grows louder, the cost of living quietly creeps higher. From million-dollar skylines to tech-powered job markets, this city's growth comes with a price tag. So how much does it really cost to live in Dallas? And what do you actually get for your rent? Today, we're diving into the truth. We're breaking down the rent prices in 12 of the most iconic neighborhoods in Dallas. From luxury legends to budget-friendly gems, this is more than rent. It's about lifestyle, opportunity, and smart money moves. Let's start the journey. Want skyline views without breaking the bank? In downtown Dallas, rent for a one-bedroom apartment averages around $1.8 thousand per month. It's the heart of commerce, nightlife, and iconic landmarks like Warren Park and Reunion Tower. Living here means you're in the center of energy, walkability, and ambition. Next, we move one step north to a trendy playground. Imagine stepping into sleek bars and tree-lined streets where every block feels like a movie set. Uptown rents average $3,000 per month. It's walkable, upscale, and packed with energy from young professionals. Everything from rooftop lounges to boutique gyms is right outside your door. But for edgy artists, the next spot takes it in a whole other direction. Looking for grit, graffiti, and skyrocketing value? Deep Ellum's one-bedroom rent hits around $2,000. It's the cultural rebel of Dallas, where jazz bars and street murals meet tech startups. It's creative, chaotic, and constantly evolving. Still here? That means you're serious about mastering your money. Hit subscribe and tap the bell. This is the Money Manual, where your financial map gets sharper every week. Want boho charm and colorful creativity without leaving the city? Bishop Arts averages $2,000 a month. It's a haven for indie cafes, vintage boutiques, and community spirit. You get urban culture with a small-town vibe. From indie charm to industrial flair, here we go. What happens when warehouses turn into art galleries and lofts? Design District rents hover around $1.9 thousand. It's industrial chic meets luxury, and home to Dallas's most curated interiors. Living here feels like stepping into a design magazine. Next stop, a zone built around sports and glitz. What if your neighbor was the American Airlines Center? Victory Park commands about $2.5 thousand in rent. It's sleek, vertical, and alive with concerts, games, and skyline views. It's luxury high-rise living with non-stop entertainment. Venturing into the chic mix of boutiques and nightlife? Love brunch, boutique shopping, and street-style flair? In Knox Henderson, expect about $2.3 thousand per month. This is fashion-forward, food-obsessed Dallas at its trendiest. Every street corner pops with personality. Now slow it down, leafy streets ahead. Craving calm, trees, and a touch of classic suburbia? Lakewood rents average $1.6 thousand. It's perfect for families and nature lovers with White Rock Lake just minutes away. You get tranquility without losing city access. But there's a huge heartbeat across town. What's it like to live where Dallas saves lives? The medical district comes in at $1.7 thousand per month. It's home to major hospitals, research centers, and rental demand from professionals. This zone runs on hustle and healing. And now we head east for affordable charm. Think affordable living meets community comfort. At $1.5 thousand, Lake Highlands is a local favorite for those wanting space, good schools, and a quieter pace. It's value living without compromise. Time to go upscale. Want to live where billionaires buy their groceries? Preston Hollow rent climbs beyond $5.5 thousand. This is gated luxury, estate-style living, and home to presidents and sports moguls. If prestige is a priority, this is your playground. Finally, the one that screams Beverly Hills of Dallas. Step into a world of manicured lawns and heritage homes. Highland Park's one-bedroom units go for around $3.9 thousand a month. It's polished, historic, and features top-tier schools and retail. 12 neighborhoods, 12 rent realities. But they all paint one picture. Dallas is evolving fast, and rent is leading the charge. Rents range from $1.5 thousand to over $5.5 thousand. But the real story? It's how each zone reshapes what that money means. In Deep Ellum or Bishop Arts, $2,000 gets you culture and grit. In Victory Park or Uptown, $3,000 gets you skyline prestige. In Preston Hollow or Highland Park, it's about legacy, not just lifestyle. Dallas offers more than rent. It offers identity. Your rent check isn't just an expense, it's a vote for how you live, who you meet, and what your everyday looks like. If you know your budget, Dallas lets you live the version of success that fits you. But here's the real twist. Just when you think you've figured it out, the market shifts. Rents in Dallas aren't just rising, they're racing. Blink, and the price you saw last month is already outdated. Yes, more people are moving in, but that's just the surface. Beneath it lies a deeper shift. Booming tech campuses, luxury towers replacing old streets, and a growing tension between rising dreams and rising costs. With new jobs flooding in from finance, healthcare, and AI startups, neighborhoods like downtown and uptown are swelling. And when the core fills up, places like Lake Highlands catch the overflow fast. We're watching a live reshaping. Professionals fleeing long commutes for Victory Park condos, families trading sprawl for Lakewood's charm, and newcomers eyeing Highland Park not for flash, but for legacy. This isn't just about where people live. It's about who they want to become. And if you follow that flow, you'll spot the next big opportunity before anyone else does. Every city has a rent story. But Dallas? It's writing a bold one. Fast, luxurious, and full of contrasts. If you care about where your money goes, how it grows, and what it says about your lifestyle, this is your channel. Hit subscribe, tap that bell, and join us every week at The Money Manual, where real finance meets real life.